Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your funds from the Base app to Binance or any other exchange. As you can see, I have some funds in my wallet and I'm going to transfer them to Binance. First, go to the trade section of the Base app by clicking here. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. I'm selecting 15 here. Now listen carefully. I have funds in USDC. You can directly send USDC or you can convert it. For example, I'll convert mine into Ethereum. If you have any other funds, you can similarly convert them into Ethereum and then swap them here for trading. After that, go to the wallet section. And as you can see, it has been converted. Next, I want to transfer this to Binance. Open Binance or any other exchange you prefer. Click on Add Funds and then select On-Chain Deposit. Search for Ethereum and select it. This next step is very important. You need to select the base network. Please select it carefully. Once you find your address, copy it. Now go back to the Base app. Select Ethereum and tap on Send. Choose the amount you want to transfer. I'll select 11. In the Send to option, tap here and choose the third option, Paste from Clipboard. You will see the address you just copied from Binance. Swipe to confirm. And the funds will be deducted from your wallet. Next, we have to go to Binance and check if the funds have arrived or not. After about 1 minute, the transfer is complete. To check your funds, click on Assets. And as you can see, the funds are here. That's it for this video. I hope you now have a clear idea of how to do it. If you still face any issues, simply ask in the comment section and I'll try to help. Please like this video, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.